Ria's World of Ideas. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I am Ria and I do all sorts of videos on my channel, whether it has to do with organization, cleaning, vlogging, learning activities, budgeting tips. I mean, all sorts of things. That's why it's called Ria's World of Ideas, because basically any idea that comes in my head that I find that might be helpful for you guys, I love to share. So today's video is going to be kind of like a budget money saving tip that I want to share with you guys. And it's basically how to make your own breadcrumbs. I am always trying to stretch my dollars, and the one place that you can really stretch your dollars is when it comes to grocery shopping and food. I don't like to waste any type of food, because when you waste food, you're wasting money. So I try to use everything, like try to use all the food that I have, all the pieces that come with it. I try to use it up or reuse it, freeze it, kind of do, you know, roll it into another meal, so that way I can stretch my dollars and I'm not wasteful. So today I want to share with you guys how you can make your own breadcrumbs. And even though breadcrumbs are cheap, this is a way that you can still save your dollars, but then you're also not wasting food that you have at your home. So normally when people have bread in their home, nobody ever likes to eat the ends, especially in my home. I mean, maybe in your home they do, but like the ends of the bread, nobody wants to eat them. So I heard Rachel Ray say this tip a long time ago on her show, and I've been doing it ever since, and I love it. So what you do is all the, the ends of the bread, the part that nobody wants to eat, what you do is you take them and you put them in a freezer bag, and I just put it in a gallon-sized bag and I put it in my freezer. Every time we go through bread and we have the ends, the two ends of it, I just put it in the freezer. Once this bag gets filled up, that's when I'll make my breadcrumbs. And it's really easy, really simple. And like I said, even though breadcrumbs can be cheap, you can make so much breadcrumbs with just this bag. And you're saving money, because you would throw this away anyway, but you're going to reuse it to not waste food, and then you're saving your little dollars with making your own breadcrumbs. So if you would like to see how you can make your own breadcrumbs with the ends of the bread, then stay tuned to this video. So I'm going to start off by spraying a baking pan with the butter spray. You can use any kind of spray that you want. It could be canola oil, olive oil, but I love the taste of the butter gives to the breadcrumbs. So now I'm going to take the bread ends that I have thawed out all day on my counter, and I'm going to cut them into cubes and just lay them out onto the baking sheet. And then before I even put it in the oven, I'm going to use that same butter spray and spray the tops of the bread cubes before I put them in the oven. Once the breadcrumbs have browned in the oven, you're going to put them in a food processor or a blender. I don't have a food processor, so I just use my blender. Now I would say do not fill it up to the top like I did. I hadn't made it in so long that I forgot that you need to put a little bit at a time, because as you can see, only the bottom gets crumbled up and nothing happens to the top. So when you do yours, just add a little bit at a time to create your breadcrumbs, and do not fill it up to the top like I did. Also, while it's in the blender, you can mix any seasonings in here if you want to make it like an Italian style, but I like to just have plain breadcrumbs, and then I just store it in one of the Ziploc food containers that I have. So that was my quick tip of the day that I wanted to share with you guys. I love sharing my tips with you guys, especially when it has to do with saving money. And again, like I said, breadcrumbs can be one of those things that's not like it's only like $1 or $2, but when you're really trying to stretch your dollars, that $1 or $2 really does add up. And you're gonna throw this away anyway, so why not reuse it and save your money and not be wasteful? So I love this idea. I've been doing this for years, and like I said, any little bit can help. Let me know down in the comments area if you guys have any money saving tips that has to do with food. I would love to hear you guys' ideas, because I love sharing my ideas with you guys, but I love getting ideas back from you guys. And sometimes your ideas inspire me to have some other ideas, and then I have more ideas to share with you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave me those tips down below, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out, and check out these other 2 videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.